So what's up guys, Techder in a new video. In video today I'd like to talk about this DIVOOM DITOO Plus. So it is a Bluetooth speaker with some LEDs behind this display. In the past I already tested a few of this brand, but this is a newer version. For example, this also has USB Type-C. It has a bigger driver built in, a bigger base port. And I do have to say, it's not the main focus on audio quality, but it sounds very decent. Also on louder volume you don't have big problems. But of course the main functionality on this one is of course this display. You can use volume and then you see it on a display. You have here the menu, and in the menu you can go to different settings. So Bluetooth you have, for example, but let's go back, yes. So here you can also change without an app. You have some settings. So here you have some kind of functionality, a timer. It's pretty cool actually. So you can like, let's see how we have to enable it. Oh no, this is not a timer, this is some kind of other thing. I'm still working around this thing. It's, let's see, in the settings I did found something funny, a decibel meter. So when I'm talking, you can see it's going a little bit up, but if I like make noise, you can see it goes almost in the red zone. So it's pretty cool actually, that they really like built this inside this speaker. And here is, I believe, some kind of gameplay. Yes. Start. Okay. But yeah, I'm not really into those kind of things yet. It's kind of funny they included it and really cool. But the funny thing I personally really like is the application, because then you can like draw things yourself, even with different colors. So you can see like it's also on this display. It's pretty cool actually. And you really get here the same resolution as on this display. So you can like wipe it all away, or let's just say all red. And then you see it's all red. Let's just remove it all. So let's see if we can write my name. Not really. Sender. Yeah, almost. It's pretty close. Of course the resolution is a limitation here, but if you want to draw something, it's possible. A very bad smiley. So yeah, overall, very cool speaker, especially when using it with another phone. Really great phone still. And I do think that the overall packaging is very cool. Like here you have a small fridge, I would call it. Pretty cool packaging, even back around it. You also have charging cable in it, some stickers. It's really cool actually that they really like even try to give you the best unboxing experience. And I do think that if they maybe would release something bigger, like for example something that's almost as big as a phone, or maybe a little bit bigger, with maybe 2 drivers and maybe focused to the person, because this one has an up-firing speaker and it sounds fine. They really tune it very well, so you do hear the sound very clear all around. But as with the pool speakers of JBL, I prefer to have speakers on the front, or at least a little bit more angled to my face, because this is just very off-firing. But overall, I'm really not very undisappointed or disappointed about the speaker, and it really performs very cool. So yeah,